Okay, this is the problem I'm having with my Beryl GL-MT1300 pocket-sized travel router, trying to hook up my PS5 to via USB tethering, so I can bypass using my hotspot on my phone and just tether from the USB port into the router, and using the LAN cable into the PS5. It's supposed to work. One of the techs from GL.inet told me and sent me a screenshot that his is working, that it does work. I have Verizon Wireless, I have unlimited data plan, but my hotspot data, I'm limited to a certain amount. But I want to hook it up with this router and hopefully just use my data. This should also work with the computer. USB tethering should work from this router, from this phone, into the computer, and I should have better speeds, and I should not have to worry about having to use my hotspot. However, it's not working. Right now I've got my mobile data on, and you can see by that little green dot on my icon there, on my avatar, that I am connected. So I can actually go into the Play Store. So I do have data right now, and let's see if so my computer is connected as well. This is by using my hotspot on my phone. You can see right now my mobile hotspot is connected. So I'm going to turn off the mobile hotspot. Now I am going to hook things up and try and tether. See, my PlayStation just went off, so I'm going to pause for a second. Okay, I just connected the data cable from my phone into my laptop. Right now I'm going to click on the web page again. It shouldn't reload. Well, maybe it did connect already. So right now it's saying allow access to your data, allow. Then I'm gonna have to go to settings, connections, mobile hotspot and tethering, and USB tethering. So first of all, I'm gonna try and open up another web page. Okay, no internet. Now I'm gonna toggle on USB tethering. Networks, network 2. Do you want to allow access to allow your PC to be discoverable? Yes. I'm not hooked into this Beryl router right now. I'm just showing you that USB tethering does work from my phone, that it is capable of working. There it is. USB tethering is on. It is toggled on. Now I should be able to hook this cable into my PlayStation, not using the router then, and see if it works there. So I'm going to try that. Okay, I've got the data cable running from my phone. I'm going to have to toggle back on USB tethering. Okay, now this is not going to work because I don't think that the PlayStation allows you to go through a USB port to try and connect. Wired LAN 1, that's not going to work. LAN cable not connected. Right, so I don't have a LAN. You can see that my Note 20 is actually a wireless connection by that little icon there. So I don't see any connection via USB, of course. Those are all Wi-Fi things near me, but I can't use any of those. So that didn't change anything. So now I'm going to hook up the Beryl router by plugging that USB into the Beryl router and plugging this LAN cable into the PS5. And by the way, I just plugged it in. That thing is blue. It's going to turn white in a second. Okay, so I just plugged in the data cable. It's still flashing blue. It's going from the Beryl into my phone. I'm going to toggle USB tethering. And that will turn white when it is connected. There it is. So now I actually connected this a while ago with just Wi-Fi. So or through the mobile plan. Was it mobile or Wi-Fi? Oh no, it was Wi-Fi. And it connected. But now I cannot test that through the router settings because you cannot have Wi-Fi on at the same time that you have the tethering on. And let me get back out of here. Well, anyway, you can see USB tethering is still clicked there. Now, I am going to get rid of this. This will not connect, wired LAN 1. This should be one of the LAN things. It's going to try to connect, but it's going to fail. Can't connect to the internet. Your internet service provider or your router might be preventing your PS5 from connecting to the internet. Okay, so I'm going to forget this. Go okay. So I can go set up a wired connection. Wired LAN, advanced settings. So here's the thing. I got it. I just wanted to let it do automatically what it needs to do. So I'll go down to okay. Can't connect to the internet. The LAN cable is plugged from the Beryl, which that thing is white like it's supposed to be, from the Beryl, and it's in LAN. It's in one of the 2 LAN ports. I've tried it in both of them. Doesn't matter which one. Plugged in the PS5. And you can see I am plugged directly into the router from my phone. USB tethering is on. I have also tried that Ethernet tethering. I have a little dongle where I can go from my phone from USB into a little dongle for a network cable, and I tried plugging that into the PS5. That did not work either. That also does not work on my laptop. I'll show you here in a second that the same sort of thing happens on my laptop. Okay, so now I plugged the network cable from the Beryl into my computer, and I'm going to check USB tethering. Okay, that's on. And no internet. And it's the same sort of thing here. If I go into troubleshooting, it says no internet access. Now, it took off USB tethering. I'm going to click that again. That's blue. It's going to go white. Okay, now it's white. So there should be internet, but yet it says no internet access. there's the router. So it shows the router, but it shows no internet. Now, I'm not technically inclined, so I don't know exactly what I need to do. There's some sort of setting. Now, I can go directly from my phone and tether to my computer without using the router, and it works. So I would like to know what I'm doing wrong as far as not getting the router to work through my PS5 or through my computer. I guess it has to do with settings, and I would not know how to set one of these up correctly. I don't know if I need to enter in like DNS settings or what. So am I supposed to go to change adapter options? My Ethernet here, I can right click and go to properties. I mean, there's my Ethernet adapter. I've tried troubleshooting it. I have the latest software. I think it's 4.1.0 something for the Beryl. My PlayStation's up to date. I'm gonna connect it back to the PlayStation here for a second. Okay, I put the LAN cable back in the PS5. I'm gonna check USB tethering again. There, it went to white. It's staying on. So I forgot that network again, and I'm gonna just go straight to connect. It says okay. So set up advanced settings. So IP address settings. This is the only hope that I think I have. If I go to manual and I enter in some stuff, but I don't know where to find these things on my phone. I'm wondering if this is the answer. Now, I know that I can go into settings and about phone and go down to status information, and there is some stuff in here I can look at. I think I'm covering it up because I don't want to show everything. But like there's my IP address, and then underneath it there's some sort of other address, but you can't enter a colon into anything on this screen. So like I said, I'm having problems. At least I can show you that I've gotten this far if somebody can help me out. Okay, I had to switch phones because I wanted to, the phone you're staring at is the one I was recording the original video on. The one that I'm holding in my hand is the one that is still connected via USB tethering. You see the light is white. It's still connected to the PS5 right now. And this is what it looks like because I wanted to show that it is connected. Right now, you can see right there, tethering. It's got a blue dot on it. USB tethering is working. There's an IP address, a gateway, a DNS server. So I really don't know what to look for here. Why is it so blurry? You can see there's the Galaxy Note 8, and right below it, I named that one the PS5, so that's the PS5. It says it's connected to it. Tethering. I don't know if any of that matters. IPv4 track. But you can see tethering is checked. So I don't understand what's going on.